Today we're going over how to assemble AdirPro's Gabion Baskets. First things first is you will need a pair of wire cutters to remove the metal twist ties that the panels come in the packaging. You cannot do this by hand, so just be sure that you do have a pair of wire cutters handy. Once you remove the metal twist ties from the Gabion panels, you will begin laying out the panels to construct your Gabion basket. The layout you choose will be dependent on the Gabion basket you are trying to build, so see the diagram below. In this example, we will be building a 3x6x3 Gabion basket. Once you've laid out your Gabion panels, you will begin assembling the basket. Starting on one end, construct the two sides of the basket using the Gabion spirals. Be sure to thread both baskets in the weave of the spiral. This will ensure a sturdy construction when the rocks are filled. Here we have an example of an incorrect weave to show. Notice how the weave of the spiral does not wrap around both panels. This is incorrect and will lead to an unsturdy basket. If this happens, undo the weave slightly to ensure both panels are contained in the weave. Now, assembling the adjacent or middle panels in a 3x6 or a 3x9 Gabion basket build can be tricky. This is because you need 3 panels included in the weave. Be sure to do so that the Gabion basket is sturdy. Once you have the basket constructed, excluding the top, you will begin to fill the basket with rocks and add the stiffeners. Be sure to have the Gabion baskets in their final location, as it will be extremely difficult to move once the baskets are filled with rocks. Be sure to hook the stiffeners while you're filling the basket with rocks 1/3 and 2/3 of the way. While you do so, alternate each side that they're hooking onto. This will ensure that the basket does not bulge once it's filled with rocks. Now that the baskets are filled with rocks, it's time to close the top. Using the Gabion spirals, weave the top panels onto the basket. We recommend weaving the outer parts of the Gabion panels first and then moving into the middle parts of the Gabion basket. The reason being is that the middle panels, just like the adjacent panels, require you to weave 3 panels in one Gabion spiral. Once this is completed, your Gabion baskets are now secure and ready to work.